Hi, Sir Angelo.
Hello, boss.
Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Okay, so here are your pairs. Let's assess one by one, all right?
Yeah.
How tall are you?
6'11".
6'11". These are size
15.
15.
Yeah. Super big.
Super big, yeah. For this Travis, actually, it has sole separation already. The sole separation is almost everywhere. So what we'll be doing here is that we'll be dismantling the outsoles.
Okay.
We'll reglue this and have them stitched also.
Okay.
And of course, the deep cleaning.
Yeah.
For this cactus, still intact.
No, this is entire. This is still.
Yeah,
It's just
it's still good. Only needs cleaning.
Yeah.
And here, for your Kobe's. So you have this repaired already, right?
Yeah. I needed it because it keeps getting off. So, Yeah.
Okay. This is what we call here the Frankenstein stitch.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anyway. Oh, no. There's separation already here. But I don't think it will come off.
Yeah. It's not.
So just minor reglue and then cleaning.
Yes, sir.
Would you want us to remove the stitch?
I mean, if you want to. It's up to
Okay,
you.
so that it will look better. You
Okay.
know? So full reglue with cleaning, deep cleaning, and then minor reglue here with deep cleaning.
Thank you very much.
All right, man. All right. Our pleasure.
Hi everyone, this is Angelo Kouame, currently a Meralco ball player. So I want to invite all of you guys to come to Soul Game. So if you want to clean your shoes, it's the right place to be. They have many options, deep cleaning, everything that you need. So this is the place to be. Come here and then, have your shoes clean.